Aims of power system. What is the aim of a power system? When you introduce large amount of distributed generation, that will reduce the performance of the power system. So the main aim or the primary aim that is related to customers, that is to provide reliability of supply, voltage quality and the tariffs. So by giving good tariff, the customer will be happy and we need to maintain that, right? So the primary aim will be related to customers. What is the secondary aim? So secondary aims are preventing overloading, giving protection, maintaining current quality, operational security and costs. So these are the two aims of the power system. One is that is related to customers. Second one is to give protection, prevent from overloading, right? Maintaining current quality. So it is not to say primary aim are not important than secondary aim. In fact, it is well-designed system. In a well-defined system, fulfilling the secondary aim will automatically result in primary aim being fulfilled. Right? So what is the objective? So objective is to isolate a faulty section of electrical power system from rest of the live system, so that rest portion can function satisfactorily without any severe damage due to the fault. So these are some of the components which need to be protected. These are generators, transformers, bus bar, transmission line. Protective system elements like fuses, protective relays, circuit breakers, instrument transformers like CT, current transformer and potential transformer and DC supply system.